Hello guys, in previous video we see how we using this Python code to execute in a Linux command. So in this video we are going to securely writing how to execute this command securely. So in previous, I'm closing this window. So I'm starting a new. Okay. So I saved in a desktop. So I move this CD desktop. So I'm in a desktop directory. So if I run this command python 3.py, so it automatically executes. So I'm going to use it like giving input int or FAC. So interface equal to input input. Here I'm going to write type interface. So space closing next mac equal to npqt input type mac address. So entering the string. So if you guys seen here, I'm just closing it, comma plus. So now comma just ping plus typing int or FAC interface plus down. So if you guys understand this, I'm just getting input what I want here just to type interface. So it's stored in a variable. So it will execute here. So like this, I just copy this and just paste it where. So I'm just copying with this quotation. So I'm just pasting where ETH0 is. So I'm pasting here. So I need to know what is MAC address is. So I'm just closing it here and typing plus MAC. So Python, if you know Python, you can understand what I'm writing. So I'm just saving it, just run it here. So it asking interface, ETH0. So MAC address 001111111111. So 6 command. And I press enter. So if config ETH0 is not found, so it ended with some error. Okay guys, this is the main problem. You need to give a space here because every command has need to give a space. So I'm just saying here, run this again, ETH0. So this time I'm running 0011222222. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I'm just enter. So I executed without any problem. So if I type if config C, there's no problem. So again, the internet is not connected. So just to change the interface here. Okay guys, if your internet is not connected, watch my previous video.